Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious croissant sandwiches. We'll start by selecting the perfect croissants, then move on to slicing them open carefully. The key is to have all your ingredients ready to go, making the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. This simple guide will help you create a delightful meal or snack in no time, perfect for any occasion. Now for the fun part, filling your croissant. Begin with a creamy base like a savory spread or a light dressing. Then, layer in your favorite proteins, perhaps some thinly sliced chicken or a flavorful cheese. Don't forget to add a refreshing crunch with crisp lettuce or juicy tomato slices. Get creative and make it your own unique masterpiece. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: just like making a great sandwich, building wealth requires a simple path. Check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. To elevate your croissant sandwich, consider a quick toast in a pan or oven for a warm, slightly crispy finish. This enhances the flavors and textures beautifully. Serve your masterpiece right away to enjoy it at its peak freshness. A simple garnish or a small side salad can complete the presentation, making your sandwich truly special and inviting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.